Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update, monthly time frame, very large time frame. Let's do review. Let's use to trading view and we will figure out, is it bearish trend or bullish reversal, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to trading view. Trading view stock market heat map on the monthly performance. All green, look at it, technology green, technology electronics green, retail traders green, consumers green, banking system, financial, health system, all green, everything green, everywhere, health system, all green, very positive. Let's see, let's move to charts and we will figure out. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using buy and sell script, moving averages. Let me show you weekly. White line should be better. Yeah, white line it's SMA 200, red line it's SMA 10, green line it's SMA 5. And EMA 20, it's yellow, buy and sell script, volume, and MACD indicator, green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, and white line is a signal line. Also Heikanaichi RSI indicator, Heikanaichi bars, red it's a bearish, green it's a bullish, and RSI indicator, yellow line. And that's all. Let's start it. Very simple. I don't trade on the weekly, on monthly time frame or quarterly. I just monitor the market trend direction. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position. That's all. Let's move it to, let's start it weekly for SPX. Weekly SPX, S&P 500, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, right? It is bullish crossover. And last bar, yeah, the previous month closed positive. This month just half of the month. It's April 15, right? It's in the middle of the month. Still green, still positive, and it's about 20. It is bullish. No buy signal yet. MACD still red, still bearish. Heikanaichi already changed color from red to green. It's positive too. On the monthly time frame, it is positive on 2 indicators, on 1 indicator bearish. We'll see. Even we see last month it was volume, it was very high, previous month. But so far, this month we didn't move about the previous 2 months, about the February month. The March was, now we are above the March level, but still below high in the February. Our high in the February was about 4,200. We'll see. Monthly time frame still kind of mixed mode, but it's positive. Quarterly time frame, it is still negative on all indicators, and it's kind of far from 20. Last bar, far from 20 on quarterly time frame, and it's kind of far from 200. But quarterly time frame, it's very huge time frame. Yeah, 2 previous quarters it was positive, 2 quarters were positive, and now this quarter is still just started, just half of the month just started. We'll see what it will bring us. So far it's still bearish quarter. Monthly it is mixed mode and it's a positive, more bullish, because it's about 20 bars, about 20. It is positive. And let's check weekly what's going on. Weekly it is also about 20. MA5 did bullish crossover, all indicators bullish on weekly time frame. Weekly it is positive, bullish. Qs, let's check Qs. Qs weekly also bullish on all indicators. Let's move monthly. Monthly also bullish, buy signal on the script. You see month just started. The previous month we closed positive, closed bullish. So far we tested previous high, but so far we are in decision mode. Still half month of the way, but still in decision mode. Will it go back to test MA20 or it will continue bullish? It's a still question, but signal MA5 did bullish crossover. Look at it, bullish crossover over time. Bullish. Buy signal bullish. MACD red, but it's ready for bullish crossover. It is bullish. RSI did bullish crossover. Fibonacci green bullish. Qs on monthly time frame positive in a bullish trend. Positive in a bullish trend on monthly time frame. Quarterly it is still bearish on all indicators. And yeah, previous quarter it did touch 20 and bounce from 20. This time it did touch MA10 and it's kind of far from 20 now. We'll see will it come back or not. But before, you see that it was very high, very far from 20, it connected to 20. Bars always wants to connect to 20. We'll see. So far it's kind of flat in decision mode on quarterly and monthly time frame, and quarterly it is negative. Weekly it is positive. That's what we have. Weekly positive, and daily it is negative. Daily it is negative. Dow Jones, let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly. Dow Jones weekly also positive. Weekly is a positive, buy signal, all indicators bullish, even MACD ready for bullish crossover. Dow Jones weekly bullish. Monthly, let's see Dow Jones monthly. It's in the mix mode, right? More positive. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Fibonacci green. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20 and bar about 20. Bullish trend on monthly time frame for Dow Jones. And quarterly, let's see. Quarterly, it's quarterly bullish. Actually, no, quarterly it's bearish on all indicators. Quarterly bearish on all indicators. Even last bar still above MA10, but still bearish on all indicators. Sell signal on all indicators. Quarterly. Let's move to IWM. IWM, let's see, quarterly. Bearish trend on all indicators. It's close. It's about 20, but still close to 20. On quarterly time frame, still bearish. On monthly time frame, it is bearish also on all indicators. Even it's a buy mode, but still bearish, and the last bar below all moving averages below 20. It is a bearish trend. And weekly it is bearish also. IWM Russell 2000, the weakest index, it is bearish on all time frames. Even you see on weekly MA5 and bars below 20 and 200. 20 below 200. All moving averages below 200. It is very negative territory, bearish territory, when all moving averages below 200 on weekly time frame. Let's move to Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple. Apple weekly bullish trend, last bar far from 20. MACD bullish, Fibonacci bullish, RSI was in overbought territory. overbought territory. On weekly time frame, it is bullish. Let's check monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, Apple is buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover. Last bar kind of far from, still above all moving averages. It is bullish. MACD still bearish. Fibonacci bearish. Monthly time frame, mixed mode, but it wants to go bullish. Let's see quarterly. Quarterly, it is MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD ready for bearish crossover. Fibonacci bearish. Quarterly, previous quarter was very huge run, very positive bar. Let's see in this quarter, will it do sell off and connect to MA20, because MA20 very far. Now the bar disconnected from MA20, very far from MA20. And we know, you see it was very far when it was 184. It was very high and very far from MA20. And from MA20, it's kind of, you see, every quarter it's trying to get closer and closer to MA20. We'll see, will it get someday, some quarter it will get to MA20. And yeah, it's still in the bearish trend direction on the quarterly time frame. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla quarterly, sell signal on the script. MACD bearish crossover, red color bearish, Fibonacci red bearish, bearish trend on quarterly time frame for Tesla on all indicators. Let's see monthly. Monthly, it is bearish trend on all indicators also. Last bar below 20, it is bearish trend on the MACD, on the Fibonacci, on the RSI, on all indicators, bearish trend on monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame for Tesla. Weekly time frame for Tesla, MA20 next to MA200. It's good. And MA5 merged to MA200. And last bar below 20. MA5 merged to MA20. 20, not 200, 20. They're kind of in the near state. MACD is still green, still bullish. Fibonacci is still bullish. Still kind of buy signal on the script. Tesla still, yeah, on weekly still positive, still bullish. Weekly still bullish. Monthly is bearish and quarterly is bearish. That's what we have for Tesla. Let's move to BABA. Alibaba Group. Monthly time frame. Bullish signal on all indicators. Weekly time frame. Buy signal on all indicators. Buy signal on all indicators on weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, it's bullish, weekly bullish. And let's see quarterly what's going on with BABA. Quarterly it is still bearish, right? Not enough data for quarterly. That's all. Let's move to DXY. Well, it's a USA dollar. Let's see what's going on quarterly. Quarterly is still positive, still bullish. Buy signal. You see it was very far disconnected from 20, right? Now it's getting back to 20. Still bullish trend on MACD. Also, you see bearish divergences on the quarterly time frame. You see the price action was okay. It's there already. Bearish divergences. On MACD, it's a downtrend. On RSI, it's a downtrend. Bearish divergences, but on the quarterly time frame. Okay, and monthly, let's see monthly. Monthly, it is still bearish. Sell signal, bearish, but you see 1, 2, 3, 4 months, 4 bars, they are dancing at the MA20 level. MA20, very strong support level. very strong support level. We'll see the last bar. Will it bounce from 820 or it will continue and will do bearish crossover over 220 and will continue to do bearish trend on monthly time frame. So far it is bearish on weekly time frame. On monthly time frame. Let's see on weekly what's going on. Dollar on quarterly and weekly still bearish. On weekly it is bearish also. Sell signal, it was bullish on weekly, but last 5 weeks it is in a bearish trend. 5 weeks in a bearish trend with bullish divergence. Let me show you. You see the price action is downtrend, and on the MACD histogram, the MACD bullish divergence on the histogram, also bullish divergence on the MACD lines, and bullish divergence on the RSI. So far, bullish divergences on all indicators. On weekly time frame, it means dollar wants to go bullish. On daily time frame, let's see, dollar, still bearish on daily time frame also. Still bearish on daily time frame. And 4 hours it is bullish. 4 hours, only 4 hours bullish. Daily, weekly, monthly bearish, except quarterly. Quarterly still bullish. That's what we have. Let's do summary. SPX, S&P 500, monthly positive, wants to go bullish. All indicators bullish, except MACD. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Qs, monthly also positive, bullish on all indicators. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Also bullish on monthly time frame for Qs also. Dow Jones on the monthly time frame also bullish except MACD. Bullish signal. Only IWM, the weakest index, it is bearish on monthly time frame. It is bearish on monthly, weekly time frame, and quarterly. IWM, the weakest index on all time frames. The weakest index on all time frames. That's all. That's what we have. Like I told you, Q is bearish on quarterly, monthly it's bullish. Qs weekly it's bearish. Bullish also. Weekly it's bullish, and daily Qs wants to go bearish. Daily they are ready for bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD bearish. Heikanaichi kind of still green. That's what we have. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.